So there's a certain stigma that comes with adapting Canon lenses to a Sony body. They're slow, they don't focus. You're shit, Matt, you're a failure, you might as well give up now. So we're at the cemetery. We're at the duck pond. And today we're gonna put all of those things to rest. So stick around and check it out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. All engine liftoff. We have a liftoff. 32 minutes.
So we're still stuck at the cemetery, but hey, could be worse. I have my Sony A7S II out with the Sigma 20mm f1.4, which is a heavy motherfucker. But if we see a ghost, we're gonna catch it in 4K, unlike all those paranormal dickheads. But what do we learn? Well, for starters, it's cold out here. I'm hungry and lonely. So don't lock yourself in a cemetery. But number two, Canon lenses actually aren't that bad when adapted to a Sony system. I'd say consider them because you can save a lot of money. You're gonna get comparable quality, if not better. And with that Sigma MC11 adapter, I think you can get some good lenses. As for this lens, which is the Canon 400mm f5.6, so the only problems I really had with this setup was during videography when I try to film a subject. I wouldn't want to say it tries to focus breathe as much as like a wheezing, or try to push on a focus and it'd miss. I didn't notice this at all during photography, but it's pretty prominent with videos. Alright Lloyd, what do you think about your adapted 100 to 400mm lens?
Basically, I feel like I've resurrected an old piece of glass. At the end of the day, they're not being used anymore because every year Sony makes some new piece of glass that kicks everyone's fucking hiney. Overall, I'm very happy with the system. Yes, the autofocus could be better, but for the value, you might as well just get used to using manual focus because what the fuck, that's the foundation.
You said fuck, and then you said hiney right afterwards. So we're still at the cemetery. The police came and they said they couldn't really do anything. So I guess we'll just hang out here. But I hope you liked that video, and I hope you got something useful out of it, and thanks for watching.